a running toilet or siphon leak. In this session, you will learn about the step-by-step repair process of a running toilet. Notice that the water closet cistern is unable to hold water and the water closet bowl is continuously running. That is the problem. This is the most dangerous problem. If this continues, then the overhead tank will soon be empty and the septic tank will overflow. The cause to the problem is identified as a siphon leak. To fix this leak, first of all, shut off the water supply to the cistern by closing the angle valve. Next, we are going to remove the siphon. For this, loosen the nut that attaches the handle of the siphon to the cistern. This will enable you to remove the siphon handle. When the siphon handle is removed, then you can easily remove the siphon. Notice that the rubber washer on the siphon is not placed properly. That is why the water closet bowl was continually running. The cause to the problem has been discovered. Now, let's fix it. First, remove the rubber washer and wash it clean. Also, wash the siphon if it is dirty. Then, place the rubber washer properly on the siphon. This should fix the leak. But if it doesn't, then just turn the rubber washer over and fix it to the siphon. This is sure to work. In case the rubber washer is worn out, then replace the old washer with a new one. Now, we are going to fix the siphon back to the cistern. Notice there is a lock on the siphon. This lock has to fit into the opening inside the cistern. Now, place the siphon's lock into this opening and lock it in by turning it to the right-hand side. Next, place the siphon handle and tighten the nut with hand. Make sure that the flush lever is in the right position. Only then will you be able to fix the handle. Now, let's check whether the leak has been fixed. Open the angle valve. Notice that now the cistern is able to hold water and the water closet bowl is not running anymore. Finally, close the water closet seat cover and place the cistern cover on the cistern. We have successfully repaired a running toilet